Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. Happy holidays, and we know this is the holiday season and we're going to be traveling. So on the flight you need something comfortable. Your neck pillow has to be there because sometimes the chairs in the airplane buses are so uncomfortable, so you need to have your neck pillow handy. And in this video I'm going to be showing you guys the step-by-step process of making the pattern and the sewing tutorial. In most of the videos I've seen, they always say download the pattern, but in this I'm going to show you guys how you can create your own pattern and create this neck pillow. Let's get into it. guys, I hope you guys love this video. This is what it looks like finally. I love how I used two different fabrics so I can turn it upside down depending on my vibe. I love this. I love what it looks like. I love how it's turned out. If you try it out, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Lara Savage Creations. I'll be ready to showcase your work with all my growing followers and also here on YouTube as well. Thank you guys so far for your support on the channel, your super thanks, watching my videos to the end. Please help me get to my full monetization threshold so that I can be able to get amazing tools, gadgets to make more and more, projects for you guys. It's going to be a fun learning ride with me. I promise you guys. And yes, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share it in and outside your circle. And until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon or night, wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.